Hello guys, myself Rishikesh. I have discussed part 1 of life process, that is introduction part, that is living and non-living. And so let's start now the part 2, that is what are life process. So the process which together perform their maintenance job are life process, means the something which makes together and performs a one job is called as life process. Maintenance process is very important, guys. So we need energy from outside the body, so we need food as the source. So this is on the only mm energy we have got from the outside. So the food is the external source, we get energy. And almost all the food are carbon based. So the process of intake of food is called as nutrition. Okay, what are life process? The continuation, they are source of energy and therefore needed to be break down or built up in the body and must finally converted into uniform source and energy that can be used for the various molecule movements needed for the maintaining of the living structures as well as the kind of molecules the body needs to grow. Here, when we take any food like some roti or chapati, they'll not get directly converted into energy. They get breakdown. First, they'll break down into maltose, etc., and glucose at final, and we'll get energy, right? So the food is breakdown part by part, and we'll get the energy. Oxidation reduction reaction are common in chemical breakdown of food or nutrition. In the process of nutrition, you can say, or even in the respiration process, oxidation reduction is common. Exchange of gases or removal of waste from may need because the entire process of organism is in contact with environment. So here we are talking about respiration. Respiration in humans or in plants, we need oxidation and reduction. There will be exchange of gases also. We will take oxygen O2, we'll take oxygen inside and exhale carbon dioxide, right? Okay, and in plants they intake carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. So there will be exchange of gases, right? So we can say that the the exchange of gases or removal of waste is an example for respiration. So uptake of food and of oxygen will make the function to be specialized tissue. However, this process a problem since food and oxygen are now taken up at one place in a body of the organism while all parts of the body needs them. This situation creates a need for a transportation system for carrying food and oxygen from one place to another in the body. So now we have got food and even oxygen. So we need to circulate the energy to the whole body parts, right? So we need another system, that is transportation system, which we'll learn in next upcoming slides. Okay, so when chemical reactions use the carbon source and the oxygen for the energy generation, they create byproducts that are not only useless for cells of the body but could even be harmful. These waste byproducts are therefore needed to be removed from the body of the discard by the process called excretion. When the all body gets the energy and there will be a waste, that is useless products, then they will be harmful also to our body, so it should be removed from the body. So that are nothing but excretory products that will be excreted by excretion. Okay,